Now I want to get the test statistic and p-value for this particular problem. You'll see that I've already entered in the 5 lists, kind of long, so I went ahead and did that before recording this. Okay, so once you have the data set put in this problem there are 5 lists, I'm going to press Stat and right arrow over to Tests, same place as the rest of them. And Analysis of Variance is actually the last option, so I'm going to scroll up and that'll put me at the bottom of the list. Okay, so I'm going to select ANOVA, and that's the abbreviation for Analysis of Variance. Now I need to tell it what list my values are in, and I have 5 lists, so I'm going to press second L1, comma, second L2. I think you get the point. Okay, believe me, this is still a lot easier than doing the calculation by hand for the test statistic. Okay, so I have all 4 lists. All 5 lists. I'm going to close the parentheses and press enter. And you'll see that the first thing the calculator gives you is the test statistic. It's about 0.274 with the corresponding p-value of about 0.894. Now, the calculator will also give the numerator degrees of freedom and the denominator degrees of freedom if you don't want to calculate that by hand. The factor degrees of freedom will be the numerator degrees of freedom. And scroll down a little bit, and the error degrees of freedom will be your denominator degrees of freedom.